Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will excel. I'm a teacher by profession, a mathematics teacher with more than 25 years of experience teaching children mathematics in systematic and concise way. I lead them to explore interesting areas in the world of mathematics. I use inductive method and problem-solving method in my classes because it makes my teaching very easy. It also may help the children to learn very fast and also help me to make my children active and also increase their memory power. My classes are very enjoyable, very active. Children enjoy my lesson. If you join my class, you will never dread mathematics. I can help you to grasp techniques and formula to get ahead. No matter where you are in the mathematics spectrum, you will still find my class helpful and challenging. I've witnessed my children thrive in mathematics and make it their favorite subject. Join me as I lead you in the journey of mastering mathematics, making it an exciting one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when my next video turns on.